Welcome to Pure Chart Trading. If you're looking for a strategy with a 90% win rate, you're in the wrong place. And let me tell you, if anyone claims a strategy like that exists, they're just a scammer trying to take your money. There's no such thing as a holy grail or a trading secret, and definitely no special indicator. I'm going to show you the real face of market trading. If you get that, let's dive into today's first trade example. I repeat this in all of my videos. First, I need to wait for a nice price move and a market structure break. We have it right here, so we can mark it all out and wait for a return to our zone as well as confirmation. If you've already seen some of my videos, I have a question for you. Do you remember exactly how I mark out my zone? Drop it in the comments below, and you'll find out right away if you were right. If you were right, you wrote that I always mark my zone based on the last opposite candle followed by a price impulse. This is exactly the confirmation I always wait for, just to see that price won't just slice right through my zone. I always trade with a 1% risk and a 2% reward. While we wait to see how this plays out, I want to let you know that you can watch my videos regularly every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you want to see more trade examples like this, check out my channel. All the videos are organized into playlists so you don't get confused. Did you like this trade? If you want to trade just like me, all you have to do is listen closely and watch my videos, and you can learn this very quickly. Trading isn't about fake screenshots or expensive designer clothes. Trust me, if you maintain just a 55% win rate over the long run, you're a highly profitable trader, and I know you can easily achieve that. You don't need any garbage on your charts, just pure price action and consistency. I have 3 more trade examples ready for today, so let's get into it. I'm going to wait for a clear move, and I want to see that move create a market structure break. Until then, I'm just sitting tight and watching the chart. I will repeat this 1,000 times if I have to, just to make sure you learn it the right way. Once I see a market structure break, now I know exactly where to mark out my zone. After that, all that's left is to wait for a retest of my zone, and I also need confirmation. Without it, I don't enter the trade. We'll wait for the price to return to my zone, and if I see enough confirmation, I'll definitely enter the trade. Do you see that nice confirmation too? A doji candle followed right after by an engulfing candle, which for me clearly means I'm entering this trade 100% no matter what. As always, I'm risking 1% to make 2%. Just to be clear, I never close a trade manually early, and I never change my risk to reward ratio. This is absolutely critical so I don't lower my overall win rate over a large sample size of trades. While we wait, let me ask you a question. What time frame do you use for your trading? Personally, I've been using mostly the 5-minute time frame. Another trade that hit take profit very easily. If you want to learn how to trade exactly the way I do, I highly recommend watching my videos closely. If you want to see more content like this, I have it all organized in my playlists, and I drop 3 new videos every single week. If you'd be interested in a 1-hour video where I explain everything in full detail, let me know in the comments so I can make it happen. We still have 2 more trade examples ready for today, so let's go check them out together. Do you know exactly what I'm waiting for at this moment? Drop it in the comments below. Shout out to you if you wrote that I'm waiting for a clear break of structure. As you can clearly see now, we're moving on to the next step. I need to mark everything out, wait for a return to my zone, and we also want to see clean confirmation for the entry. I always mark my zone exclusively based on the last opposite candle right before the price made a nice impulsive move. We see that price didn't break through the zone and is trying to reverse. That nice red candle gave me a clear signal, so I'm entering the trade. I'll set up a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio and we'll see how our next trade example plays out. How do you think this trade is going to play out? So far, price hasn't even given me a chance to move my SL to break even, since I don't do that until price covers at least 75% of my TP target. So all I can do now is wait. Would you be nervous or angry if a trade ended exactly like this? When you consider that I focus on a series of trades rather than just a single one, you have to realize that these kinds of trades are practically inevitable. Sooner or later, it's highly likely you'll hit a big losing streak, and in trading that is completely natural and normal. If you trade a series of 100 trades and get just 55 right and 45 wrong, you are highly profitable. We have one final trade example ahead of us, so let's check it out and we'll wrap everything up at the end of the video. We're waiting for a clear break of structure, and that's the first thing I always have to focus on. That market structure break determines the direction I want to trade if I get an opportunity later on. I found what I was looking for, so I can mark it out and set my zone as well. Do you know what I always base my zone on? Let me know in the comments below. Right now, at this very moment, I want to see a return to my zone, and I also want to see confirmation. We didn't even have to wait long, and we're seeing exactly what we were looking for. That nice green candle gave me the signal to enter, so of course I'm setting a 1% risk and a 2% reward. We'll see in just a few seconds exactly how our final example for today plays out. Just so I don't forget, I always set my stop loss a little bit below the entire zone so that market noise doesn't trigger it unnecessarily. In my trading system, there's a rule that if price covers about 75% of my TP, that's when I move my SL to break even to prevent an unnecessary loss in case the market decides to turn against me. The last trade worked out great, which means another 2% added to my capital. Even though it was bouncing up and down, it ended up smashing through my take profit after all. Let's do the math. I had 3 TP trades and 1 SL trade, bringing us to a total profit of 5%. If you want to trade just like this and learn the ropes, check out my other videos on the channel. Don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe.